Hi there, this is ElectricAvi, and today we're gonna solve the 2x2 Rubik Cube. If you find this tutorial useful, please push the like button and subscribe for more videos. Solution for this Rubik Cube is done by 3 simple steps. Step 1 solves the first layer and also the bottom face, white face. Step 2 corrects the position of all 4 top yellow corners. And step 3 completely solves the cube by solving the second layer. Notations are the same as with the 3x3 Rubik Cube. All turns are done clockwise, or if a prime is denoted, so this is counterclockwise. So right move turns the right side clockwise, left move the left side clockwise, and also the front maybe turned clockwise or counterclockwise, and that's it. The other moves are not required. Step 1 solves the white bottom face, and this is done by the right hand algorithm, which is done by turning right and up clockwise, and then right and up counterclockwise. Okay, so first step, and the goal of the first step is to solve the white face and the first layer with it. If you've got some pairs, it's good, but you don't necessarily need it. Like this white and blue, let's see, it fits this white and blue, yes. But it may be harder in the other two. You see, this is not oriented correctly. So what we do now, we do the right hand algorithm. You need to put the white on the bottom and find which corner on the in front right should be there. So this is white and red and blue. It needs to be with the right, white and red also, but this is correct. This is white, red, but not in the correct orientation. So what we do, the right hand algorithm, we hold it like this, we rotate right and up, R prime and U prime. So this actually got it up, but we continue now. You see, here it is. This is not white yet. So R, U, R prime, U prime, and it's oriented correctly now. So now let's find another missing white corner. This should be the white with green and also orange. It is here. So we put it above the correct position and do the right hand algorithm again. So this is R, U, R prime, U prime, not oriented. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, and you repeat until it fits correctly, and that's it. You just solved the first layer. So in step 2, what we need to do is correct the position of the top yellow corners, such that the other 2 colors are in the correct position. In case one that 2 corners are adjacent one to the other, you put them to the left, and you run the algorithm on top, which is 3 times right hand and turned in the cube to the right, and then 3 times left hand, where left hand algorithm is the mirror of the right hand. As with the right hand you push the right with an R clockwise, the left hand you push the left by L counterclockwise. If you got the other case that the 2 correct corners are in the opposite side, you need to run the algorithm, never minding which direction the good corners are directed, and then you get the two good corners case. Okay, now the second step, after we completed the first layer, it corrects the top positions of the top yellow corners. So what's a good position? Look, this is a good position because this is orange and green, and don't mind the yellow should be on the top in the end, but this is orange and green, and it's near the lower orange and green, so this is a good corner, but this is not. This is orange and blue, but this is not. Let's see, this corner has green, this has not, it's not good, and this one also has red and blue, and now red here. So we just had one good corner. What we need is two corners in good position. So let's rotate the top and find out if we've got two good corners. This has orange, does not fit here. This is good. Oh no, it doesn't have. This is orange and this is red. Does not fit. Red, and so on. So you rotate the top until you find two good corners. So let's see. This is good, and this is good. That's it. Now, look, these two corners are in good positions, but the other two are not. Look, this is red and green, fits here, and this is red and blue, fits here. These are good. Let's put them on the left side. Now, but the other two are wrong. This has blue, this does not, this has green. So only the two leftmost corners are in good position. So what we do now to make them all in good position, we do you hold it like this and you do 3 times right hand algorithms like this: R, U, R prime, U prime. This is 1, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. Now you rotate the cube right and you do 3 times left hand algorithm. This is L prime, U prime, L, U, L prime, U prime, L, U, L prime, U prime, L, U. And now let's look on these top corners. Let's correct one. This is orange and blue, so it's in its place. And now all corners are in the correct position. This is correct, this is correct, this is correct. Another case you may have that we had two good position corners and we put them on the left and they were adjacent corners. If you had an opposite corner, like this was good and this was good, so in this case you just do the same algorithm: 3 times right hand, turn right, and 3 times left hand, and this will bring you to the situation that 2 corners are correct. So to complete the whole cube and actually solving the second layer, we need to complete the top yellow face, and this is done by flipping the colors of the top yellow corners such that the yellow is not on the side but on the top, and this is done by this short algorithm: R F prime, R prime F, and as follows. Okay, so we're almost done. Now the last third step, it flips the white, the yellow to the top face. So this is correct, but here the yellow is on the side, and also here. So we've got 2 corners. We need to flip the yellow to the top. So what we do now, you hold it again with the white on the lower side, and you find a corner with yellow that needs to be flipped. You put it in the right, top right, and you do the following algorithm. Start like the right hand, but actually you do R, which takes the piece forward, and then you take this one to the left, so this is F prime, and then you bring them both again to the same place they were. So this is R prime and F prime, and now you don't rotate the cube. You just keep doing this same thing until the yellow appears on top. So this is R F prime, R prime, F, R F prime, R prime, F, R F prime, R prime, F, and it is correct. Now it is very important to turn only the top layer and not the whole cube. So again, another corner that needs to be corrected is in the top right. So don't mind if the cube got messed like this white pieces. It will be correct in the end. So we do the algorithm again. So this is R F prime, R prime, F, R F prime, R prime, F, and the yellow part is complete, and you just need to correct the top, and you've finished your 2x2 Rubik cube. And that's it, and you're welcome to watch more videos from the ElectricAvi channel.